I'm Steve Ember with the VOA Special English Development Report. Several weeks ago, we reported about 2 vaccines to protect young children against a common cause of intestinal infection. Studies showed the vaccines were effective against the disease rotavirus. Rotavirus is a leading killer of young children in the developing world. More than 500,000 die from it each year. Rotavirus can cause severe diarrhea or watery wastes. The loss of fluids robs them of salts and body fluids. Last month, the United States Food and Drug Administration approved one of the vaccines called Rotatec. Also, an advisory committee suggested that Rotatec be given to all babies. The committee sets vaccination policy in the United States. The drug maker Merck & Company manufactures Rotatec. The company says Rotatec should be given 3 times to babies between the ages of 6 and 32 weeks. Merck plans to sell a single treatment of the vaccine for about $62. The complete treatment would cost more than $180. This would make Rotatec one of the most costly vaccines ever sold. Critics say many poor people will suffer because the price is too high. Merck has stated that it will offer Rotatec to developing countries at reduced prices. However, the company does not expect any action until a study of the vaccine is completed in Africa and Asia. Merck hopes the study will begin by the end of this year. Getting new drugs and vaccines into developing countries has become an international issue. Several methods have proven effective. For example, developing countries can import less costly copies of the drugs or negotiate reduced prices with drug makers. Also, rich nations, aid groups, or other organizations can buy drugs at reduced prices. They can then provide them free or at a low cost to developing countries. Drug makers can also agree to let manufacturers in developing countries produce copies. One example is the Swiss-based drug maker Roche. Roche has offered technical help to companies in developing countries for production of the drug Saquinavir. It is used to treat persons infected with the virus that causes the disease AIDS. Merck says it is investigating a number of methods to see how best to get Rotatec to children in the developing world. This VOA Special English Development Report was written by Jill Moss. I'm Steve Ember.